keep to the right of your lane at all times, as far right as you can. And we're following the signs for Halifax A58. Keep to the right. That's a reasonable gap. Try and make sure you always maintain this or more. Okay. As we follow the road ahead, we're going to get to another set of traffic lights after these. So this is Sheepscar Junction. After Sheepscar Junction, we're then going to get to another set of traffic lights. Them traffic lights will give you an entry onto a slip road. We're then going to go down along the slip road. We're going to join traffic on the dual carriageway. Keep your speed up. Would you like to have a go by yourself, or would you like me to talk you through it?
Let's talk through. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm a bit nervous today. So.
It's fine. Okay. Check your mirrors. Look at your green traffic lights. They may go red, so look in your rearview mirror. Look at where you need to stop, and then look in your left door mirror just before you stop as well. In my side mirror. The reason for that is we're looking to see how many cars are in that lane. Now the lane on the left can use his lane and join you at a later stage onto the dual carriageway. We join the dual carriageway a little bit earlier. Yes, it merges onto the same road. Now the sign on the left is telling us in a ring road A58, both lanes, use both lanes. So he should really stay in his lane. So let's go, give some gas and let's go. Usually they push in halfway through the road like he's doing now. Now give some gas, check your mirrors, signal right, stay in your lane, and utilise the whole of the slip road when you're merging onto the carriageway. Keep to the left, look in your right door mirror, look in your right door mirror again, and slowly come onto the road. Now cancel your signal. Now if you think you're going to come into contact with that vehicle, move across if you think it's safe. If it's not, remain in your lane, and he will either come in before you or he will wait on the slip road. Turned on your automatic headlights, so when you go into a tunnel your headlights come on as well, okay? And we're now going to come off the ring road at the second exit. This is the first exit. We're then following the signs for the airport. So we'll be coming off on this slip road here. Come off on the arrow. We're now going to keep left and follow the road ahead. Be braking. That's me helping you stop at a safe distance, okay? Now this lane goes towards the airport. The lane on the right, yeah, you can't say signal. The lane on the right where the black car is, that does a U-turn and it comes back.
Oh, okay.
So to go ahead you can only go in the left lane, however both people use both lanes to go ahead, and they shouldn't. It should only be the lane on the left.
That's where I should expect someone.
Yeah, like he's doing now. Now let's go into the far left-hand side lane. Far left-hand side lane. Otherwise, we're encroaching on the black car's two lanes. So when we were in the lane on the left, we had these two lanes. the lane on the right had them 2 lanes.